Ilan mo ako, hindi ako luko-luko. Iha, ikaw ang mag-manage together with the local government. Huwag mo ibigay sa SIPDEC kasi magulo yung SIPDEC ang magmamanage. This is for the benefit of the small fishermen, not for SIPDEC. Ba't mo ibibuild sa SIPDEC at ipamamanage mo with SIPDEC? Dapat ikaw ang mag-manage together with the local government. Katulad ng mga fish hatcheries, BIFAR muna nagmamanage first 2 years, tapos tina-turn over na sa local government. Oh, hindi ganyan.
Yes po.
Sige. Oh, yun. So, mag-aaway lang tayo dito. So, I'm suspending this public hearing. The technical working group will revise the bill, and to make sure that when we build this feed mill, it will be for the benefit of the fishermen in Capiz. Oh, and it will be operated initially by the BIFAR, but it will be turned over to the local government after the local government has learned to manage it. Yun lang. Thank you very much.